Hi folks, how you doing? So I was actually just filming a little bit of a vlog. I was mixing some compost to sow some seeds, and as I was starting to mix two compost together to get a nice mix, I started to notice things in the compost. Now, the one compost I was mixing in I've used before and never had a problem with that, but I just bought, literally today, some Aldi peat-free compost. And it was £2.99 a bag or something like that, and I wasn't expecting much from it, but I wanted peat-free, wanted to get some seeds sown, and a couple of bags would have got me through till I went down to the allotment. Anyway, the stuff's a bit rough as it is. There's a lot of bark in there. It's not really compost in my opinion, it's soil conditioner, but hey-ho. You know, I can forgive that as long as it's, you know, compost, organic matter. Problem is, it's not actually organic matter, and I'm picking out plastic and bits of chipboard and MDF. Some look like reflectors off bikes or something. And anyway, I've just spent the last few minutes picking through it. I've done a bit of a video, and I mean, it's just a complete random sample. I'm not saying this is every single bag of the stuff, but if you've got any of it, I'd seriously consider checking through it before you stick it on your garden, because it's a bit crap, to be fair. Anyway, see for yourself. As I've said, that's just a tiny sample of what I'm picking through, and you know, ideally you should be buying a few bags and checking it yourself, but just be wary. I just don't think that's good enough for I don't think it's good enough for any compost, let alone, you know, we're supposed to be going peat free, and people are going to, well, organisations are going to take the mick out of us by having stuff like this. It looks like it's just shredded green waste that you put in your green bin and then the councils take it away. And it's normally called soil conditioner because obviously how rough it is, but it's not good. Anyway folks, I will carry on my vlog, so make sure you like and subscribe. Cheers.